Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, a signed-in Microsoft account, and the Word app installed. Once done, open Word and tap New to create a document or choose Recent to continue. Make sure your phone has enough storage and a stable network for cloud access. Tap the plus or blank document to begin typing immediately. You're now in the editing view where the keyboard appears. This is where you take the first actionable steps to add text, save, and name your file. You'll focus on core editing. Tap and drag to select text, then use the floating formatting bar to apply bold, italic, or heading styles. Once done, use the Home or Format tab to adjust font size and color. This keeps consistency throughout. To add structure, insert bullets or numbered lists from the toolbar. If you need visuals, tap Insert to place pictures, tables, or links. Make sure images are optimized so the file stays responsive. Save to OneDrive for auto-sync and access across devices. Finish by saving and sharing. Word usually auto-saves to OneDrive. Confirm the save icon. If you want a local copy, choose Save As and pick Device Storage. Once complete, tap Share to send a link or export a PDF. Set edit or view permissions before sending. If something goes wrong, like sync or saving errors, first check your network, then sign out and back in, or clear the app cache in settings. That one troubleshooting action resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.